cancer cells can evade chemotherapy by going dormant, and the cells would enter a state of active hibernation that enables them to survive the stress induced by aggressive treatments. This is why some people experience cancer more than once. For years, cancer researchers have studied how tumors are able to return after their complete disappearance by chemotherapy. One theory suggests that this happens because not all cells within a tumor are the same at the genetic level. This is called tumor heterogeneity, which involves a small subset of cells that are able to resist treatment and begin growing again. Another theory suggests that tumor stem cells regenerate a tumor after chemotherapy has been given. The study was conducted in both mouse models and organoids made from patient samples of acute myeloid leukemia tumors, also known as AML. In the study, the researchers found that when AML cells were exposed to chemotherapy, a group of the cells went into a state of hibernation. They looked similar to cells that have undergone an injury or in an inflammatory state and need to promote wound healing with the help of immune cells. Further research revealed that this inflammatory state was caused by a protein called ATR. This suggests that blocking ATR could prevent cancer cells from adopting this condition. Researchers tested this hypothesis in the lab. They confirmed that giving leukemia cells an ATR inhibitor before chemotherapy prevented them from entering hibernation. This allows chemotherapy to kill all the cells. Fasting promotes your stem cells to fix damaged old immune systems. One of the side effects of chemotherapy is damaging the immune system. However, a recent study showed that cycles of prolonged fasting not only protect against chemotherapy immunosuppression, but also induce immune system regeneration. Prolonged fasting can shift stem cells from a dormant state to a state of self-renewal. When you fast for a long period of time, your body attempts to save energy. One of the ways your body saves energy during fasting is by recycling white blood cells that are not needed, especially those that could be damaged. As a result, your stem cells are activated to produce new, healthier white blood cells, which replace the old or damaged ones. White blood cells are part of the immune system and play a vital role in fighting infections and various illnesses. Researchers are now exploring the possibility of using fasting to prevent cancer and enhance chemotherapy effectiveness. Fasting can reduce glucose levels in the blood, which starves cancer cells and makes it harder for them to grow. This makes them more vulnerable to chemotherapy. It also reduces the levels of insulin growth factor IGF-1, which is a biomarker linked with increased cancer risk. Apart from that, it enhances autophagy, a cellular cleaning process that helps your body get rid of damaged or unnecessary components to maintain cellular health and function. Fasting can improve blood sugar control and reduce insulin resistance, thus lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome by enhancing insulin sensitivity and stabilizing blood sugar levels. It is also associated with fighting chronic inflammation, a key factor in several diseases, by decreasing inflammation markers like C-reactive protein, which could contribute to better overall health and reduced heart disease risk. Fasting has been shown to positively affect blood pressure, triglycerides, and cholesterol levels, thereby potentially reducing the risk of coronary heart disease. Animal studies suggest fasting may boost brain function, enhance cognitive performance, and offer protection against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Though more human studies are needed to confirm these effects, weight loss is another significant benefit, with fasting leading to reduced body weight and fat by limiting calorie intake and boosting metabolism. This reduces the risk of obesity-related illnesses such as coronary heart disease, stroke, and cardiovascular death and diabetes. On top of that, fasting has been found to increase human growth hormone levels, which are vital for growth, metabolism, weight loss, and muscle strength. It also plays a role in extending longevity and improving gut microbiome diversity, potentially delaying aging and disease onset. Various fasting methods exist, offering flexibility to fit different lifestyles, from water and juice fasts to intermittent and partial fasting. However, fasting may not be suitable for everyone, especially those with underlying health conditions like diabetes, and consulting with a healthcare provider is recommended to ensure safety and maximize health benefits.